Today I'll be playing with really large hair accessories. Some are extra large and then some are just kind of, you know, out there. There are 6 different styles. Let's get into it. And Andrey chose all of these. Must say, you have great style. How did you envision these right here? These are just massive clips. I love the color. They're matte. They have like these little teeth grips and then these little 3 prongs right here. These are fun. How would you wear these?
In the back.
In the back somehow?
Yeah.
I think I'd put them in the back like parallel. So let's do like a high messy bun. Is that how you kind of envisioned it?
How did you envision it?
Well, you're the one that bought these.
Sounds good. I like it. I think in the back is kind of cool.
Let's do like a messy bun with my hair out. That looks good. And then all of these like hairs, right? Is that what you're thinking? To kind of pick them up?
Sounds great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got one.
It's nice and big.
And then this one we'll do it like right below it. Is that kind of what you were thinking?
Looks good.
Does it actually look cool?
Yeah.
Like a cool hair accessory?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I'd pair it with this. I would just do like a clear elastic or something just because I feel like there's way too much going on. But does that look good or does it look weird? Does it look like I left hair clips in my hair that I was just using to style my hair?
No, it looks like it's intentional.
It's actual hair accessories?
Yeah.
This is great if you have a lot of baby hairs because these are stylish. They're strong and they hold the hair up really well in my opinion. They actually are doing really good. All right, let's do the next hair accessory. So this next one came in actually pretty nice packaging. Where'd you buy most of these? Are they all from Etsy or some on Amazon as well?
Yeah, some Amazon, some Etsy.
So he got like, I think this one is from Etsy, right? Because it has some really nice
Yeah.
packaging. So it comes in a little pouch and then bam. I honestly like it, but then it looks really intimidating. Like how would I wear this? Like a half updo? Yeah, kind of like pick the hair up and just secure it.
Why not?
So this is what it looks like and it literally looks handmade. So one of these is kind of like a yin yang. It's made in France.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it literally says made in France.
There you go.
All right, so I'm thinking with this one, I would just do kind of like a half updo, like pick up hair like this. And then maybe like take some of these hairs out, take these ones out. And then somehow I would either, I think I would actually use a clear elastic just to make sure the hair is holding up. And then to hide the clear elastic, this right here. So basically I just kind of stuck it right in the center in between the clear elastic to make sure it's actually holding on to the hair and the ponytail. That's why I usually, if I use these kind of hair clips with that clip, I'll use a clear elastic first or a hair tie and then go in with that clip. That way it's extra secure and I know it's not gonna fall out of my head. And I do feel it. It has a little bit of weight to it. It's not super heavy, but you can definitely feel it in your head. Like when I'm moving around, I'm like, okay, there's something definitely there. It's probably really cool.
It looks really good. I think
Yeah?
I'm 2 for 2 already.
Babe, but you got some good style for hair accessories. I like it. I love these kind of hair accessory pieces that you can really keep for a long time. And I just love the different metal and the way it was finished. It's just beautiful. These next ones are fun. These are the claw clips and I like them because they're different. I mean, these are not the most massive ones I've seen. They're not the biggest, but basically this reminds me of my childhood. My mom and my older sisters had so many of these claw clips and I feel like they're coming back in style. Like for example, something like this, it's super trendy. I would definitely wear this outside my house. This one, I would just wear like at home. You know what I mean? I like it, but it looks like I'm getting ready or it looks like I'm gonna do some chores around the house, something like this. But this one is actually super cute and trendy. That's what I like about it. So this one I would probably do also like kind of like a half up or like kind of, what's that hairstyle? Like a French twist and secure this on one side to kind of hold it all into place. So let's try it out. Let's see what this looks like. Just bring all the hair back. And then I would just do kind of like this. A little twist, twist, twist. And then bring this hair down. This totally reminds me of my mom. My mom used to do this hairstyle all the time.
I like that. It's kind of like a retro mom, yo.
I could totally see a mom from like the 50s or 60s doing something like this. This is definitely not my type of a hairstyle, but definitely something like around the house. You know, you want the hair out of your face, or, you know, doing stuff with the baby or toddlers. I'll get there one day. I'll see what kind of hairstyles I do with the little toddler running around. But this is kind of how I envisioned using something like this. Totally like vintage vibes. Like I said, it reminds me of my mom's hairstyle that she always used to do with something like this. But then getting like a trendy with pearls, something like a cute hair claw clip, definitely I think is super doable. Super easy, hold your hair up, you only need one hair accessory and you're good to go out the door.
3 for 3.
3 for 3. And this one is great for, ooh, this one's great for like half ups. These are strong, like really strong. I would literally just do it like this, nice and tight. And then just secure it in the back. And that's what I mean about getting stuffed around the house. Okay, these ones are really, really fun. It's in a gold finish. And these are the ones that have like that one singular clip with that little like ball where it kind of like sticks in there. I'll show you a close up what I mean, but it kind of comes in a set of 3. You can use them all together, or you can use them 1 at a time, 2 at a time, you know, play it around. I usually like to mix and match, so I'm gonna use all 3. And usually with something like this, I'm gonna do a nice deep part. Bring this over, and then this hair, this is what's going to get clipped back. It's not the best deep part, but you guys get the gist, right? So we're gonna take this hair, I'm just gonna kind of comb this back. And we're gonna start first with the X. This one right here. We're gonna start from the back and make our way forward.
Need to help you?
Yes, actually I do. I can't really see what I'm doing in the back.
Alright, let's do this.
Make it go up.
Should I say that's what she said?
No. Make sure this is coming towards the front.
What do we think?
We got 1, and then this last one, put it right in the bottom.
Right here?
Right here, yep. I think this is very fun. It's like a really cool kind of like hair accessory / earpiece. What do we think?
You look like you belong like Marvel movie.
Yes.
With that.
I think because of this, like arrow, kind of looks like something with like air, you know, like a pilot or something. All right, let's move on to the next one. So these next ones, these are really cute, trendy, you know, they're fun. These ones right here are the typical metal clips, but they're accessorized with these pearls, and they're like double accessorized. And usually I'll do the same thing. I'll kind of use these as bobby pins for like the little baby hairs in the back, kind of clip them up with a messy bun. What else could I do? Put them in braids, ponytail, things like that, you know? Or you could just use these, since I have 4 of them, literally like this. If you want to be super young and stylish and trendy, literally take 2 of them on both sides. And these are actually pretty strong. Ooh, I like that. You can just do the one side or do 2 sides. What do we think? Do we like this one? Or is this a little too much?
No, it's
I
not
like
too
it.
much.
I think these are fun.
You can go all on one side.
Yeah, all 4 on one side.
Now we're talking. I love it.
You into this?
Yep.
If you watch, what's that show?
Housewives?
Real Housewives, Dorit. This is what, well, it would be like the one full side of the head. I think we need like 6 or 8 of these, honestly. These are actually quite comfortable and they're really secure. I like that because a lot of metal clips, they can really lose their intensity and their strength and hold. So these ones I'm kind of pretty impressed. I'm thinking maybe the pearls also kind of help keep it all in place, like the clip, not the hair, the clip. Yeah, that's actually really secure, nice and tight. I like it. All right, let's move on to the next one. This one is really fun. I love these styles because let me show you why. It has like a prong that goes right in here through the hair. So, and it's gonna hold this in place. So I'm gonna need Andrey's help because this little slot, it's very, very, very tiny. So should we do half up or should we do in a bun? I think we need a bun. You know what, let's do like a top knot. I haven't done one of these in so long, you guys. Who am I? I feel so young when I do something like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna put this right through here. And then we take this little thing, we pierce it through the bun. Hopefully it will come out on the other side. Nope, it missed the slot. Nope. Oh, got it. Folks, I did it. I did it. Kind of play with that. What do we think of this?
Cool.
You into it?
Yeah.
Or is it too weird? I think to make this extra secure, I would do the same thing, use a clear elastic to really secure the bun down, and then go in with something like this to really secure it in place. Even though it's somewhat secure, it's still kind of flopping around, you know what I mean? You see what I mean? Like it's still doing that.
Yeah, you do need to.
This one's, I think, my least favorite hair accessory. I'm just not really into it. I wish it was more obnoxious.
Yeah, I wish it was more obnoxious.
Babe.
I don't know.
You got one down.
I got
Oof.
one down. I thought it was gonna be bigger.
Yeah, it looked bigger, right?
It did look bigger.
Okay, so that completes all of these really fun hair accessories that are slightly larger on the scale. Which ones were your favorite, babe?
Wow, I mean, so first one, second one was good. Those 4 in a row were really great. Yeah, first, second,
and
those
fourth.
4 in a row. Yeah, those.
Fifth? No, those are fifth.
Fifth in a row, yeah.
So I think all of these are very fun. They're very different. And I think that's just the beauty of it. There's so many beautiful hair accessories out there that can really vamp up your everyday hairstyles, like literally just wearing your hair down, curling your hair, straightening your hair, wearing it in a messy bun, top knot, you know, ponytail, a braid. A little hair accessory, or in this case, a larger hair accessory, can really make your hairstyle go the extra mile, you know, especially if you have like a date night, a special event, or you just want to look cute at home, you know, do your thing, you know, doing laundry like I'm doing right now today. And yeah, I think hair accessories are so fun. And where do you like to purchase your hair accessories? My favorite place is definitely Etsy. I think they have some beautiful, really unique pieces that are handmade. So definitely check out Etsy if you haven't already. But for now, you guys, thank you for watching, spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye.